Hi there, welcome back to another everyday morning yoga routine video. In today's video, we will be stretching and making our morning even better. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First, sit comfortably over yoga mat or over your bed or wherever you are most comfortable at, and then extend your legs right in front of your body. Stretch them completely. Try to lengthen your spine, sit up straight, close your eyes if you haven't already, and take 5 rounds of breath. Focus on your inhalations and slower exhalations. Breathe nicely, stay still, and continue breathing. At this moment, make some gentle movements after the 5 breath, and then eventually place the hands right next to the hips. With inhale, try to drop your head a little bit backward by maintaining the spinal length. And then you exhale, you tuck your chin to chest. Inhale, back. Exhale, chin to chest. Again, inhale. And exhale completely. And now keep your head normal, keep your spine neutral. As you inhale, try to grab your elbows, keep your chest open, lengthen your spine. And as you inhale, try to make a gentle back bend, and with the exhale, fold forward. Go as low as you can, and then inhale all the way up. Exhale, come forward. Inhale again. And as you exhale, come gently down, vertebra by vertebra, and then try to keep your spine length maintained. Continue breathing right over here by holding the spine neutral, and then hold the other elbow, and then exhale and release and calm down. Now place the left palm next to the left hip. Give a gentle twist to the left side of your body while keeping the right hand over the left knee. Maintain the length and continue breathing. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, change your side. This time, right palm goes next to the right hip, left hand over the right knee. Look next to away from your right shoulder and continue breathing. As you exhale, gently release the neck and then the posture. Now from here, sit over your knees, sit comfortably in Vajrasana, and then raise both the hands together. Inhale, one hand go up, and exhale, the other one goes up. Keep changing the hands, and you are like stretching a rope up and down. Now from here, come to all your fours where your palms are aligned with your shoulder and hips are aligned with your knees. And try making some gentle round movements in and around your palms. And continue breathing. Make and release all the tension from your wrists and make big circles clockwise and anti-clockwise. As you exhale, lower down your hips over your feet. Keep your hips as down as close to your heels and raise one arm at a time while maintaining the other grounded. Continue breathing. And then exhale and release. Now back to all fours, and from here lift off your knees and get into a downward facing dog. Feet can be hip width apart. Heels can be upright up for better balance or can be lowered down as per your ease. Walk your feet as close as you can to your palms And then eventually bring your palms close to your feet. Grab the big toes. Look forward and with exhale, look in between the knees. As you inhale, have the hands at the hips and then exhale. Lower down the left knee back. Fold the right knee and align yourself using a wall. Can have the better support using a wall, or you can place your both the hands over your heart or at the hips. Hold it, breathe, center yourself at this moment and breathe. Then exhale. Inhale over here and exhale, and then change your leg this time. Left foot come in between both the palms. Again, use the wall to support or over the hips or at the heart center where you are more comfortable at. Breathe in and out. Try to keep your tailbone tucked in, spine straight, back leg tucked nicely, hips are squared, and you're continuously pushing it down towards the ground. Exhale, hands comes forward. Hold here and breathe. And with a big exhale, bring the left foot back too. Now from here, tuck your both the feet and then very comfortable hands, widespread, and then bring your hips forward and back, push, and try to have a better centralized balance using your arms, and then fold your elbows and get into Ashtanga Namaskara where your hips are facing towards the ceiling. Hold up here and breathe continuously. Continue breathing. And as you inhale, slide your body little forward and get into a back bend. Feel the stretch in your lower and upper spine. And then as you exhale, you get into a child's pose. Very gently try to lower down your hips over your heels. Hands are comfortably lowering down. Again, inhale, back to the neutral position, get into Ashtanga Namaskara, hold up there and breathe. And then eventually, after a couple of rounds of breath, as you inhale, you slide your body slightly forward and get into a back bend again. Hold it up there. Keep your elbows close to your body. Again, exhale, get into child's pose. Keep your forearm, upper arm, and your wrist and your palms completely surrendered close to your ground. Now, as you inhale, come up, and then from here, gently lie down on your back. And then make yourself comfortable. Your back should be completely over the ground. To make yourself more centered, check that your lower back should be completely over the yoga mat. As you inhale, you lift up your hips into bridge pose while maintaining the length of your spine and keeping your neck, shoulder completely relaxed over the yoga mat. Continue breathing. Hold. You can have your palms supporting your back and then gently with exhale lower down. You can also grab your heels using your arms. And then again inhale, lift up into bridge pose. Idea is to not strain your lower back or your neck. And breathe nicely. Continue breathing. As you exhale, lower down your hips. Now hug both your knees close to your chest. And now from here, raise one leg while holding the other one. Change your leg, raise the right leg. Feel the nice stretch in your legs as well as in your spine. Now stretch both the legs together. If required, support your legs using your hands or just hang it around and keep your hands right next to them for creating more engagement of your core. Now grab the feet and hold the balasana. Breathe nicely and then exhale and lower down your legs and gently stretch them away from the each other right next to where the yoga mat is ending. Keep the legs wide spread, hands away from the body, facing the ceiling. Close your eyes if you haven't already and let your body relax at this moment. We are going to practice a quick shavasana to make your day better, brighter. We will be gathering all the energy through this practice and make our body feel more rejuvenated to get started through our day with more energy. To begin with, first let your body relax completely. Do not move any body part, at least try not to move, and try to relax and calm down completely. And focus only and only on your breathing. As you inhale, your belly goes up. And as you exhale, your belly should go down. Inhale and exhale. Exhale should be slower and longer than inhalations. Breathe nicely and feel the relaxation, how your body is feeling at this moment. Let the calmness of your breath make your way for feeling more alive, more rejuvenated, and more present in just day-to-day activities. Let go of all the discomfort, and every time you get distracted, try to focus back on your breathing. Breathe nicely. Feel how your legs, your arms, feeling relaxed. Your upper body, your chest, belly, back of your belly, back of your chest, the entire spine, neck is feeling relaxed. How your facial muscles are feeling calm, relaxed, and without any kind of discomfort. Let your head be still and relaxed. Let your whole body feel relaxed. Just breathe in and breathe out. Tell yourself it's going to be an incredible day. And once you feel relaxed, start making some gentle movements in your body. Stretch your body in a line and just turn to either side of your body. Use any support and then very mindfully sit upright. And sit comfortably, however you feel like. Breathe in and out for at least 3 to 5 rounds more before you actually end the practice. And once you feel ready, rub your palms, gather all the energy over your face, and gently open your eyes and look at the palm. I hope you had a good practice with me. If you have enjoyed practicing with me, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.